Hi, in front of me is LG K62 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll down, choose wallpaper and theme over here, and tap on theme in the middle. Then I will go with best free, so I have to click on this option and select one of the available themes, like that one. Now I can click on it and choose download, then wait. Then tap on apply over here and now, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. But if you wish to go back into the default one, you can always go into settings again, choose wallpaper and theme, select themes in the middle and tap on one of the default ones. I will go with that one. Then choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!